Hey guys, once again I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can log in into your online banking account of Citibank. Before you try to log in, make sure that you already have an account, only then you'll be able to log in. So first of all, before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, head towards your web browser in order to log in, and also you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google. So as soon as you open your web browser, right on top there is a search box, so then type in the link that is www.citi.com. In case if you are confused with the link, I will leave it on the description box as well. So once you enter the correct link, on the other page you will land inside the official site. So over here the interface looks something like this, and on the same page in the right hand side corner you can see there is your login page. Over here you can see there are two different ways of logging in. Either you can use a user ID and password in order to log in, and the second step is quite simple, that is you can either use QR code in order to log in. In case you are trying to log in using your user ID, so make sure to enter the correct user ID that is associated with this Citibank. Next you'll have to enter is your password, so make sure to enter the correct password. Once you're done entering your correct information, tap on sign on and you will successfully land inside your online banking of Citibank. And in case you haven't entered your correct password or your username, you'll not be able to log in, so make sure to review it before you tap on sign on. And that is how you can log in into your Citibank account on your device. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.